In this video, I'll show you how to edit the text on any web page quickly and easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. This trick is fun to use. But keep in mind that the changes only apply to your own computer, they won't affect the actual website. For this demonstration, I'm using Google Chrome, but it works on most browsers. Start by navigating to the web page or section you want to edit. For example, I'll use a YouTube search result. Once you're on the page, right-click the section you want to modify and select Inspect from the menu. This will open a Developer Tools panel on the side of your browser. You might need to click on the arrow to expand the elements. When you find the text you'd like to change, you can double-click on it or right-click and select Edit as HTML. This allows you to modify the text directly. Simply replace the existing text with what you want, and then click outside the box to apply the changes. You'll see your edits instantly on the page. Keep in mind that refreshing the page will reset it to its original state. That's how easy it is to edit web page text. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.